Good morning everyone. Example 18. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 by within bracket x minus 2 into within bracket x minus 3 at the point where it cuts the x-axis. That means we have to find the equation of the tangent to the given curve at the point where the curve touches x-axis. So for that, first of all we have to differentiate the given function. So dy by dx will be equal to this one. From here we will get x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus x minus 7 into 2x minus 5 by x minus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole square. Now suppose the curve is like this. Suppose it is like this. So if this is the given curve, then and the curve touches x-axis here, then in this point the y coordinate is 0, x coordinate will be something but y coordinate will be 0. So we know on x-axis y is equal to 0. If y coordinate is 0, then we can put the value of y is 0 and we can find the value of x is 7. So the point will be 7 0 on x-axis. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent to this point. So for that, first of all we have to find the slope of the tangent at this point. So the slope of the tangent can be found by dy by dx at the point 7 0. So from here we will get 1 by 20. Now we have the slope 1 by 20 and the point 7 0. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent. The standard form of equation of tangent is y minus y naught is equal to f dash x naught into x minus x naught. F dash x naught means dy by dx at the point 7 0, which is 1 by 20. Value of y naught is 0 and value of x naught is 7, as the point is 7 0. So from here we will get the equation of the tangent will be x minus 20y is equal to 7. Example 20. Find the equation of tangent to the curve given by x is equal to a sin cube t and y is equal to b cos cube t at a point where t is equal to pi by 2. So here the curve is given in this way. We have to find the equation of the tangent to this given curve at the point where t is equal to pi by 2. We don't have the point, we have to find the point. Only the given information is at the point where t is equal to pi by 2. So we can find the value of x and the value of y by putting t is equal to pi by 2 here. So first of all we will differentiate both of these with respect to t, since it is a parametric form. So if we find dx by dt, then it will be 3a sin square t cos t and dy by dt will be minus 3b cos square t sin t. So dy by dx will be equal to minus b cos t by a sin t. Now to find the slope of the required tangent, we have to find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 2. So the value will be 0. Now we have to find the point. At that point we have to find the equation of the tangent. So if we put t equal to pi by 2 here, then x equal to a and y equal to 0. So the point is a 0 and the slope of the tangent is 0. So the equation of the tangent will become y minus 0, 0 into x minus a. 0 is the slope, value of y naught is 0 and value of x naught is a. So from here we will get y is equal to 0. Example 19. Find the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at the point 1, 1. So here we have to find the equations of tangent and normal both. So for this, first of all, we have to differentiate the given function. So by differentiating the function with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to minus y to the power 1 by 3 by x to the power 1 by 3. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent. So for that we have to find the slope of the tangent. So dy by dx at the point 1, 1, the value will be minus 1 and the point is given 1, 1. So we have the slope which is minus 1 and the point is 1, 1. So the equation of the tangent will be y minus 1 is equal to within bracket minus 1 into x minus 1. So from here we will get x plus y is equal to 2. This is the equation of the tangent. Now to find the equation of the normal, we have to find the slope of the normal. We know the slope of the normal is minus 1 by f dash x naught. In place of f dash x naught, we can write dy by dx at 1, 1. Now the value of dy by dx at the point 1, 1 is minus 1. So from here we will get plus 1. Slope of the normal is plus 1. Now the equation of the normal will be y minus 1 is equal to 1 into x minus 1. So the equation of the normal will be x minus y is equal to 0. Example 17. Find the points on the curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So the given curve is x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. We have to find the points at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So for that, first of all we have to differentiate the given function. So by differentiating the given function, we will get dy by dx is equal to minus 25x by 4y. Now question number 1 is we have to find the points at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. So if we assume that the tangents are parallel to x-axis, then the angle between the tangent and x-axis is 0. That means the slope of the tangent is 0. I told you earlier, and it is also given in the particular case also. So suppose I am drawing the curve. If there is any curve like this and the tangent is somewhere here, if we draw the tangent like this, then the tangent is parallel to x-axis and the angle between tangent and x-axis is 0, then tan 0 degree is 0. So the slope is 0. If the slope is 0, then dy by dx at the point x naught y naught will be 0, where x naught y naught is the required point. So here what we are doing, we are assuming the point that is x naught y naught, and if we draw a tangent at this point and the tangent is parallel to x-axis, that means the slope of the tangent is 0. Therefore here we have written dy by dx at the point x naught y naught is equal to 0. Now from here minus 25 x naught by 4 y naught is 0. So x naught by y naught is 0. Y naught can never be 0. So from here we will get x naught is 0. Now the point x naught y naught is on the curve. The curve is passing through the point x naught y naught. So the point x naught y naught will satisfy the equation of the curve. So x naught square by 4 plus y naught square by 25 is equal to 1. From here we will get the value of y naught is plus minus 5. So the required point at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis are 0, 5 and 0, minus 5. There are 2 points where the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Now in question number 2 we have to find the points on the curve at which the tangents are parallel to y-axis. So if the tangents are parallel to y-axis, suppose I am drawing any curve, suppose like this, and I am drawing here a tangent. This tangent is parallel to y-axis. We know normal is a perpendicular to the tangent. So if we draw a normal here, this is a normal, I am writing here n and I am writing here t for tangent. If the normal is perpendicular to the tangent, then and the tangent is parallel to y-axis, that means this tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. If the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis parallel to y-axis, then this normal will be parallel to x-axis. If the normal is parallel to x-axis, then the angle between normal and x-axis is 0. So the slope of the normal will become 0. Slope of the normal can be written as minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 y1, where x1 y1 is the required point. I am repeating. Here we have to find the points where the tangents are parallel to y-axis. So first of all we have to assume the required point is x1 y1. Now if suppose I am drawing a curve and the tangent is parallel to y-axis, then the normal at the point will be parallel to x-axis. If the normal is parallel to x-axis, then the angle between normal and x-axis is 0. If the angle is 0, then the slope of the normal will be 0. Slope of the normal can be written in this way, because we know slope of the normal is minus 1 by f dash x naught. In place of f dash x naught we can write like this. So from here we will get 4y1 by 25 x1 is equal to 0. x1 can never be 0, so y1 is equal to 0. Again, the assumed point is on the curve also. So x1 y1 will satisfy the equation of the curve. So x1 square by 4 plus y1 square by 25 is equal to 1. If we put the value of y1 here, then x1 is equal to plus minus 2. So the required points are 2, 0 and minus 2, 0, and in these 2 points the tangents are parallel to y-axis.